Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new here. My name is Danielle and today we're going to make 4 Dollar Tree gifts under $6. Just a small disclaimer, the bucket and the stuffing are extra, but you can wrap your gifts however you want. This just makes it easier for me to display it to you. So the first basket we're going to make is a romantic basket. So we're just starting off with one of these Dollar Tree buckets with the hearts all over it. And then I'm going to fill it with some of this red paper. This can be recycled for other things if you choose to use it. If not, feel free to throw it in a bag. Dollar Tree has some of the cutest bags ever. And then I got these super cute little plastic wine glasses, as well as the sparkling red grape little bottles. I thought these were adorable, and there was only 3 left, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. And then these are the Happy Valentine's Day chocolates with the roses on the front, and that completes this basket. In the second basket, we're going to make a super cute, more on the pink side basket. So this is just a pink little bear. I thought this was so cute. This is a super cute little cup with a straw that says "You're a llama fun." These are the Russell Stover strawberry cream chocolates, which I think are delicious. So adding a brand name just kind of spruces it up and makes it look a little bit more expensive. These are the pink leopard socks, which I'm sure that you know leopard is super in right now. So these are perfect for this basket. The next item is a little heart memo notebook, and it does come with a pin, and that completes this basket. So the next basket is more like a spa basket. So this is the pink loofah sponge, and it has the gold accents throughout it, which I thought were so pretty, and it kind of makes it look a little bit less generic. This is the lotion and the body soap in vanilla sugar raspberry, as well as a candle that says "I love you," and a Russell Stover's chocolate candy bar. This is caramel. And a Believe in Love coffee mug so that they can enjoy a warm beverage in their bath should they choose to self-pamper. And that completes this basket. So the last basket is just a different take on a spa basket. So I'm putting in a white and pink teddy bear, a pink face mask, which I did end up flipping upside down because it did end up looking better. And then I also threw in a Pugs and Kisses chocolate heart, as well as a this is the blackberry and lilac scented body lotion, and then I also threw in the watermelon bath bombs and the watermelon bath salts. So that completes this basket. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.